The truth about fasting, what really happens to your body. Fasting isn't just skipping meals. It has a powerful biological process that triggers fat burning, cellular repair, and hormonal shifts. So what really happens inside your body during a fast? Let's explore. Hour by hour, understanding the basics. What is fasting? Fasting means going without food for a set period of time. No calories, no insulin spikes. From the popular 16 to 8 method to multi-day fasts, this ancient practice is gaining modern attention. Why? Because of the incredible biological transformations it triggers. Let's walk through what happens. Step by step, the journey begins. 0 to 4 hours, fed state. Right after a meal, your body enters the fed state. Insulin rises, and glucose from food becomes your primary fuel. Excess energy is stored as glycogen in the liver or fat in adipose tissue. During this phase, your body is focused on digestion, absorption, and storage. Moving beyond the meal, 4 to 16 hours, the shift begins after 4 hours. Digestion slows. Insulin starts to decline. The liver begins releasing stored glycogen to maintain blood sugar. Around hour 12, your body starts transitioning from burning sugar to tapping into fat stores. By hour 16, you enter the early stages of fat burning mode, a key milestone in intermittent fasting. Deeper into the fast 16 to 24 hours, fat burning mode. At this stage, insulin is low, and lipolysis, the breakdown of fat, increases. Stored fat is converted into free fatty acids, fueling your body. Your liver starts producing ketones, an efficient energy source for your brain. This metabolic switch often brings sharper focus and sustained energy. The cleanup crew arrives 24 to 48 hours. Cellular repair mode. Once you cross the 24-hour mark, autophagy is activated. Your body begins to clean out damaged cells and proteins. At the same time, growth hormone surges, helping preserve muscle mass and promote healing. This is your body's deep clean phase, essential for long-term health and longevity. Fasting's brain-boosting power. It's not just fuel efficiency, it's cognitive renewal. 48 to 72 hours, deep ketosis and brain booster. As fasting continues, ketone production ramps up. Your brain begins running primarily on ketones, which enhance mental clarity and reduce inflammation. Levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, rise, a protein crucial for memory and mood. Caution is key. Fasting can be powerful, but it's not for everyone. Remember, fasting is a tool, not a cure-all, but when it's part of a holistic lifestyle, it can be truly transformative when done safely and consistently. Fasting offers impressive long-term benefits. Make it sustainable. To get the most from fasting, it's important to pair it with healthy habits. Final takeaways. So, what really happens when you fast? Your body begins to burn fat, repair damaged cells, boost brain function, and strengthen your metabolism. Thanks for watching. This is PharmaconHealth. If you learned something new, like, subscribe, and share with a fellow fasting fan. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments.